Hi everyone, in this video tutorial I'll show you how to fix this error that you get when you download a game from Fitgirl Repack, and I'll just show you the error first and then I'll show you how to solve it. So when you first start this installation, I've got this game here, Sleeping Dogs. So when you start this installation, the first error that you face will be somewhere around the first 18 MB. So this is the error that you face. Now there is a quick fix to this, and for this you just cancel this, you end the setup termination dialog, and now you begin installing once again. You say OK. Now this is a checkbox if you want to limit the usage of your RAM usage. So for me, I've got 16 GB of RAM and I also have a graphics card, so I don't think I need to use this. But in case you have something like an 8 GB of RAM, or even less than that, for example 4 GB, then you might want to click on this. But anyway, so now next, and here you remove the tick marks from these boxes and then you say install. So as you can see, the installation of my game has started, and so this is how you get past that error. I hope this helps you. Thank you so much.